Okay, so one advantage of COVID-19 is I've decided I have to get more involved in the gardening, and Ben just gave me what seemed to be simple instructions to take out. We have both thyme and marjoram over here, and they're both going to be transplanted. Oregano and marjoram. Thank you. Oregano, marjoram.
Yep.
And it's like, just dig out the root ball. And I got scared. And I know someone else out there is feeling the same way, so Ben is going to do what is probably the most simple thing right now and explain to us how to dig out a root ball.
Cool. So the main thing you want to do, as the name would suggest, is you want to get as much of the dirt that's already around the roots of a plant out with it as possible. Because what we're doing is to take a step backwards, we're going to transplant this marjoram plant into a big terracotta pot that we have in the backyard. We're moving a lot of the herbs to the backyard. We have some up here in the front still, but we're moving the roses to this upper box. So we need to make room for those roses. Normally you'd want to do this when the soil is probably a little more wet than this is here. It's not too bad. I mean, the moisture when you get down an inch or so is there, but that just helps the dirt stick to the root more, and will ease the stress during transplanting. These are pretty hardy plants though. Anything thyme, oregano, mint, lemon balm, they're all pretty hardy.
And so you're about
just dig down
a foot away from it.
Yeah, get about a foot around the outside, and you see just in this one dig, single shovel down, straight down as deep as you can go, and then I just pulled back, and you can see the root ball is wanting to come up just kind of naturally together. These have pretty dense roots, and then this guy hasn't been watered, so he's been hasn't grown much, but he's grown kind of close to home with those roots. So that's really it. You know, we can come around on this side and do the same thing, and really this one's probably going to be two motions and we can get this thing out of the ground. There you go. And you'll see the roots themselves aren't that deep in this guy either, and which makes it really easy to transplant.
So literally a ball,
literally a ball. And so lift it up for a second. You can see got most of the roots, not too much left behind down there in the soil still. But best thing we can do now is go grab a small bucket, put this guy inside so we don't lose the dirt on the way to the backyard, and get it in its new home.
And I'm also really excited that you did the job for me that you just asked me to do.
Okay. Yes.
All right, we're gonna go transplant this guy into the backyard, into the terracotta pots that Ben mentioned.